Alright, so Xander had me weld up his brackets, and now he's got it marked. So I'm going to weld here and here, and this will be ready for some rubber. Let's do the lower driver's side bracket.
Alright guys, so as you can see, I have the top mounted in here. Still a little loose because there's no rubber down at the bottom yet. Obviously, gonna clean it up, gonna paint it, gonna make it look all pretty. But the most important thing is it's good, and I know it's good. You can't see it on the phone, but I can see the cap, and I know there's room, and there's still some movement. So I know we're obviously not touching. Just realized I gotta fix that. Hi.
Yeah.
It's all fixed, but we're 99% there. Just gotta do some finishing touches. I'm gonna pull everything out, grind down edges, and paint. Alrighty guys, so as promised, the cooling system is considered basically done. It would be completely done, but I need bigger hose clamps that we don't have for the hoses. And I also need the rubber on the bottom for these. But other than that, it's in there. But rattle will grow away the rubber. And then we are a little tight down here. There isn't much room. Kind of see that. But hopefully, theoretically, the rubber will raise that. And if not, then we can clearance it. So don't worry about that. But I'll get the hose clamps. I believe this hose I have to trim just a little off. Then I'll put it all together, pressure test cooling system, and then be done. So basically today I got a cooling system completely done. So started with nothing and ended with being done. Done there pretty straight, pretty level. And I'm pretty happy with it. It's all painted black at my hardware. Probably paint the hardware because the gold really stands out. Obviously paint these rusty bolts. But our supports down here, you can kind of see, are black. Oh, they're black. They blend in. They're down in there somewhere. There you go. Right here. That's a tab on both sides. Put rubber on the bottom, and then it'll be really good. So, took a day, but it's completely done.